Dragon Medical One is the new healthcare enterprise speech recognition solution, which is cloud-based. Who is VoicePower? We are Nuance Dragon Medical Elite partners with over 20 years of healthcare experience. We are specialists in delivering the return on investments promised by speech recognition solutions. Our professional services range from consultation and early adoption to training and aftercare support. There are many benefits to a cloud-hosted solution in healthcare, the main being the software is fast, lightweight and can be deployed centrally with minimal costs involved on extra hardware. This means it's always available and accessible throughout a hospital, for example. Key benefits include fast, accurate and highly customizable, meaning the voice profiles learn and adapt over time. The software is easy to install and maintain and can be deployed through various methods. Agile working and accessibility are important within the healthcare industry. There are no limits on dictation. The data is 256-bit encrypted and fully secured on a private cloud data farm. As already mentioned, the software supports Citrix remote desktop environments and virtual environments. Dragon Medical One comes with the Nuance Management Console, which is a browser-based administrator portal that allows centralized management of user accounts, license allocation, and usage reports. It also provides the ability to share common auto text commands across departments, and users can also share customized words and phrases. Today I'm dictating with Dragon Medical One, open bracket, DMO, close brackets, full stop. For the purpose of this demo, I'm using a Nuance Power Mic which has customizable buttons, full stop, new paragraph. The software is highly scalable and ready to use, Dragon Medical One provides server-based enterprise-ready speech recognition across your existing infrastructure of Windows-based devices, including virtualized and remote access PCs, full stop. Dragon Medical One is customizable to include specific medical terminology, phrases and context, full stop. Additional features include customizable voice commands and auto texts, navigation and voice-based correction, full stop. Even though the software is cloud-based, each unique individual voice profile adapts and learns and improves through usage adaptation, full stop, new paragraph. The software also gives the user access to the active vocabulary and allows new words and phrases to be added real-time, full stop. This enables medical specific abbreviations or acronyms can be added, as well as localized vocabulary such as hospital names, names of GPs, to help shape and boost the accuracy of the voice profile, full stop, new paragraph. The software features an inbuilt dictation box that can be used to dictate into whilst looking at a set of results, for example, or previous history of a patient, full stop, new paragraph. Show dictation box. When the dictation box is present, all my dictation is transcribed into it, full stop, new paragraph. As you can see, the cursor is still flashing in my Word document, full stop. The dictation box allows me to navigate to different areas of my PC and dictate at the same time, full stop, new paragraph. This could be helpful when looking at previous history of a patient in consultation or looking at previous letters, full stop, new paragraph. When I'm happy with the text, I can easily transfer it into any document, full stop, transfer text, new paragraph. As you can see, the text has been transferred, full stop. The dictation box allows me flexibility to navigate an EPR system and dictate at the same time, full stop. New paragraph. Dragon Medical One can now be deployed in virtual environments, Citrix environments, and remote desktop terminal server environments, full stop. New paragraph. One of the main benefits of this is being able to dictate from the cursor, directly into applications that are installed within the remote environments, full stop. New paragraph. Another advantage of Dragon Medical One is that it allows a user to create auto texts open bracket, standard paragraphs, close bracket, commands which create shortcuts when producing patient plans, comma, patient letters, or routine examinations, full stop. New paragraph. For example, colon, new paragraph, insert normal exam. This particular command produces a list with variable field markers to which I can navigate through via voice command and complete very quickly. Unremarkable, next field. Supple, comma, no adenopathy, next field. Rate and rhythm regular, comma, no murmurs, rubs or gallops, next field. Clear, next field. Another example of an auto text command is where the text is a standard paragraph or repetitive piece of text, full stop. New line, for example, comma, new paragraph, insert normal skin, new paragraph. By building a list or a bank of auto text commands to call upon, this makes producing documentation very quick, full stop.